Hey guys, it's Pam here from Travel with Pam. I'm super excited as I'm gonna do... Oh my gosh, what's going on? Guys, turn on the lights, it's not funny. I'm doing a vlog here.
Wasn't me.
Oh my gosh, I think it's Eskom again. We have this thing called load shedding. Let me go look for a candle. Oh, this unboxing is not going well. Some lights. Oh, this is a bit too bright. Let me move this candle a bit to the side. For some reason we have hashtag load shedding, and I'm not sure why we have this load shedding. If any of you know reasons as to why we have load shedding, please drop me some comments below. Would love to hear from you. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and share it. I was so looking forward to this unboxing. It was going to be the first in my series of unboxing videos, and I was looking forward to you guys sharing the link with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, cousin, your cat, your dog, to get me to 10,000 views on the way to 1 million views. And then I was going to thank you and you and you for getting me 1 million views. So unfortunately, this unboxing is going to be a bit tricky now. Do you think you know what's in the box? Drop me some comments below and let me know. We'll catch you on the flip side when there's some lights and we find out what's in the box. Leave me some comments below if you think you know what's in the box. Bye. Thanks for watching. Catch you tomorrow.